care to share what your injury is? What happened?
I had a full ACL tear. Got my ACL reconstruction surgery on December 2nd, 2020, December 3rd, and been rehabbing since then.
And you think a physical therapist is a key player for you getting back to the field?
100%, yeah, because I know me, after surgery, I was very scared to touch it, to move it. Without him, like, pushing me, telling me, like, you have to do this exercise, you'll be fine, you won't re-injure it, I would have probably still been in that street-like cast for months and months.
And what do you think? Are you think anybody thinking about becoming a PT? What would you tell them? Like,
do it. It seems really fun, and I myself really enjoy coming here because it's fun for me, but also because I see he enjoys it a lot.
I thought about this for the last 30 years, how lucky I am and how privileged I am to be able to walk alongside somebody as they get better. It's as rewarding to me to see them go from perhaps the lowest depths to progression and getting back to their normal life. And that's a gift to me as much as it is for what I'm doing for them. That's what I get more out of it than anything. It's easy when you get to use the mirror too. First here. Go ahead, drop. Out, 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 out.
why do you like that blood flow restriction training, Tom?
Because it allows us to progress an athlete or progress recuperation much quicker because you use less weight. When somebody was incapable of doing an exercise with heavier weight, you can use less weight to no weight and still get the same outcome.
So do you notice a difference doing the exercises with the cuff on versus, what does it feel like?
It feels 1,000 times harder because it's like, you're literally, I can feel the circulation getting out of my legs, which is what it's for. So it makes like going down harder, it makes pushing back up a lot harder. It feels like my muscles are working more.
Is it a pretty cool technique to help you, right?
Definitely, yeah.
Do you notice a difference?
I notice a difference in the strength building in the quads. I mean, this exercise, a body weight squat, wouldn't be hard if these weren't on.
A little sticky, yeah, a little sticky.
It was all, in the beginning, it was all bunched up, kind of looked almost like laces still on a shoe, to be honest. It was all bunched up, and he was really using that metal tool to kind of scrape at it, to kind of get all the scar tissue moving out of there, and it's gotten a lot better in the last.
Wash-out tools and such works great for this. I did it with you in the beginning. It really loosened up the scar. Right here, you're going to stay wet.
People say PT trainer, what's the difference?
So, as you can see, a physical therapy clinic is very much like a gym. We have a lot of the same equipment you're going to see. But being a physical therapist also has very specialized equipment that you won't see in a gym. There's a very big difference between being an athletic trainer and a physical therapist. Now, the field of physical therapy is amazing because now they've actually upped the amount of schooling that you need. So after graduating college, you need now 3 or 4 more years to become a doctor of physical therapy, which is very exciting for the field because now they're asking physical therapists to get much more involved in the diagnosing as well as the treating of people with injuries.
It's as exciting as you want to make it, and that's what I love about this setting is that I can make up exercises, change treatments, I can do anything I want throughout the day.
And you get to play ball.
And I get to play ball.
So, getting physical therapy, what do you think of the profession? What do you think of this career?
It's so cool. It's so cool to know exactly how to treat such a stressful injury, like getting your knee ripped open, ripped apart, having it sewn back together, and then just knowing how to fix it, how to get back to normal. I think it's awesome.
Doing exactly what I'm meant to do because I work 12 hours a day, 5, sometimes even 6 days a week, and I'm never tired. I'm never burnt out. I shouldn't say never, mostly never burnt out, and I look forward to every day. It's kind of great. I feel very fortunate that I'm doing what I'm doing.